All right, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video we'll continue with word problems. Okay, so we'll do question 24 in this video. The cost in dollars of producing custom t-shirts is given by the formula C equals 120 plus 3.50x. Okay, where x represents the number of t-shirts produced. The revenue generated by selling the t-shirts for $6.50 each is given by the formula R equals 6.50x, where x represents the number of t-shirts sold. Okay, so this is the formula for your cost price. Okay, so if you want to figure out cost of goods sold, okay, for your gross profit, okay, this is the formula. Okay, and this is your revenue. Okay, so again, this is your revenue in terms of sales. So revenue equals 6.50x. So given these two, we can figure out our gross profit. Okay, and given gross profit, we can figure out our net profit, which will be gross profit take away operating expenses. Now, operating expenses are not listed in this word problem. However, should you have operating expenses for your business, okay, you can figure out your net profit, okay, for your income tax return, for example. All right. So further down, okay, find the formula for the profit. Okay, and B, use the formula to calculate the profit from producing and selling 150 t-shirts. So we know that C equals 120 plus 3.50x. So we'll write that down. So we know cost equals 120, okay, plus 3.50x. And we also know that revenue equals 6.50x. All right, so we know that gross profit or profit in general equals revenue minus cost. So we'll sub in the values for cost and revenue. So we know that revenue is 6.50x minus your cost, which is 120 plus 3.50. This will be x as well. Okay, so 3.50x. All right, so we know that 6.50x minus 120 minus 3.50x equals, okay, 6.5 minus 3.5. This will be 3 if I'm not mistaken. All right, so 3x minus 120 is your profit. So this is your formula for profit, for gross profit. Okay, we don't know what x is. Okay, so x will be number of t-shirts produced or manufactured. All right, so for part B, they're asking us to use the formula to calculate the profit from producing and selling 150 t-shirts. All right, so going back, we'll sub in the value for x. So profit equals 3 into 150. Let's say you made 150 t-shirts. Okay, take away 120. So we know that 3 into 150 is 450. Take away 120 will be 330. So your profit is $330. All right, so this is basically how you figure out your gross profit using the formula for your cost of goods sold, as well as the formula for your revenue or sales. On behalf of Electronics, this is Obey. Have yourself a great day.